first chord played in the right hand is an F minor 7th arpeggio. So it's played arpeggio. That's F, G sharp, C, and D sharp. We're going to play as a broken chord arpeggio, so it's, and that's from low to high. You're going to do that twice, and it will make sense when the left hand's played with it. So it's the second time you do it, you're going to hit that D sharp again by itself. The next chord is this here, and that's G, G sharp, B flat, and a D sharp. That's also going to be played arpeggio. And you're going to play that twice. So it's back to the F minor 7th. Now after doing that a couple times, what you're going to do is this. You're going to do that twice. You're going to play an E major, and then you're going to play an E, G sharp, and a B flat. So E major, E, G sharp, B. Then you're going to drop the B down a half step, play B flat, then jump back into the song. The left hand's going to start off on C sharp, then it's going to play a D sharp, then you'll play an F, then you'll play an F and a C arpeggio, back to the C sharp. Do that a couple times. Then what you're going to do here is do this. Then you're going to play a C sharp again, then play an F sharp, jump back to the C sharp, and proceed. Now you'll notice that a lot of the song consists of mainly arpeggios. So now putting both hands together, you'll start off playing the C sharp by itself. That's how you'll start. So play it again, it's so notice. After that D sharp in the right, I play the F. At this point, back to the beginning. Now the pedal is pretty important in this song. You're going to play the pedal every time you play a new note in the left hand, aside from this chord here. Whenever you play a new bass note, you'll release the pedal and play it again. So it's, I'm holding it here, I release, then I hold it here. So it's release, hold it here, release and hold it here. release, hold it here again. Now I held it all through that. Now I'm going to release and hold it on the C sharp. Release, hold it again. Release, hold it again. Now release, hold it here. Now release and hold it here. Then proceed as normal.